Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We are starting with Chapter 24 of Co-op Challenge Sygna Suit Elesa and Team. Quick connect. And weak to Dark type, Dark type, Dark type. We only have one really strong Dark type, if I'm not mistaken. Or are there more? Well, Grimsby is a Dark type, but we're gonna use this.
I'll be coming along.
Let's just bring everyone. Not really you, but you.
I'll show you.
And I don't know, Nanu, never
we
used
just merry
him yet.
companions.
But that's it. Let us do this. Entertain me.
It's my turn now. Now's my chance.
You know, probably I don't even need to do this.
It's my turn now.
Everyone will die soon. Or not.
Now's my chance.
Let's just use one entertain me again. Wow, nice.
Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Strut your stuff. Keep it up. Strut your stuff. Oh no! Focus your mind.
Focus your
Strut your
mind.
stuff. Keep it up.
Very nice. Lowering your special attack as low as you can.
Keep it up. Strut your stuff.
No more lowering of special attack, guys.
Strut your stuff.
Flinching. Yan Unity match.
Lovely. Working. Style.
And you are dead. That's it for this video, guys. That was normal challenge Sygna Suit Elesa or Elesa and Team.
Entertain me a bit longer.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys with Hard in the next video. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in a few.